Welcome guys to another video. In today's video I'm gonna be playing Roblox. So I'm gonna be playing Grow Garden, Troll, Pinning Obby and other games. And if you guys want to friend me, my name is LaganBro9up. And yeah, let's get started. So I also really want to get 50 subs so to live stream, but yeah. So I think I'm gonna start with Strolling Penning Obby 2. And if you guys hear like a controller in the background, that's just me connecting my controller with with my phone. So hopefully nobody's gonna troll. So let's get to the teleporter. I have what the heck? What is happening right now? The lifting thingy. Okay, now it's lifting. That was weird glitch, but anyways, I've played this a few times, so yeah. and I'm bruh, and I'm kind of good at obbies. Never mind. Luckily, I joined the group so I can teleport to this thing. But anyways, okay, okay. Hopefully nobody's gonna be trolling. Otherwise, this is gonna be kind of a long video. Maybe not. Bruh. I'm just bad at obbies. Okay, let's attempt 2 or attempt 3 actually. Okay. No, okay. Okay, so wait. Now, okay, they're gonna be trolling. Bruh. Okay, I'm back now, and okay. So, unfortunately, I don't know how to wall hop, and there's no really way around this unless they're not trolling. But that's very unlikely. But if someone actually bought Fly with Robux, so that's gonna that guy really tried to do the wall. Nobody trolled. Let's go. Okay, hopefully he's not gonna troll. Oh, you idiot! You cannot troll me. So my goal is gonna be trying to get to the purple level. Okay, this is one of the hot bots. And I'm back at the blue level. Let's go. Okay. Going good. And there's the guys who wants to troll. But if he does the same what he did the other time, I think I can get past him again. Bruh. Okay, thank you. What do they betray? Bruh, you idiot, you cannot throw me. Bruh, you cannot throw me. Okay. Bruh. Why is that so hard? Oh, look, that the troller finally fell off. Bruh. Like I said, I really want 50 subs so I can live stream. Then I can chat with you guys, and you guys can suggest me some games what I should play. And at the moment, I think I only have like 20 subs, so hopefully I can get it in the next 2 months, but that's kind of unlikely. But if I'm very lucky, then we can maybe do it. But that's only if you guys like my content. So I just resorted to gaming. Well, I'm still gonna do some vlogs, but the main thing I'm gonna do is just gaming. Okay, this guy really wants to troll. Brrr. Okay. Shift lock. Okay, let's go back here. I almost fell. But, and I fell. Actually, I'm not gonna go to the teleport. I'm gonna be doing. Never mind. Never mind. Okay. Okay, now my new goal is trying to get to the dark blue level. If I can get there, then that's gonna be a miracle. A miracle and a half. Okay. Boom. Okay, fine. Okay, please, nobody. Somebody actually brought. Okay. Shift. Okay, yeah. And yeah, after I'm done with this vid, comment down below what game I should play next. And yeah, it's most probably gonna get, or your comment is most probably gonna get noticed, guys. I know, do subscribe. Do subscribe. I know. Does this guy really think he's gonna do it? Okay, but as I was saying, I don't have that much video or subs, so yeah. And that guy is trolling again, but he's kind of bad at it. Yeah, you're kind of bad at trolling. I'm not gonna lie. But why is this spot so... Okay. Nice. And on my character is actually kind of crazy. It's like the dead rouse zombie with a grey garden shirt. Like a combination of two games, but doesn't really look that good, but at the same time it does. Okay. Damn, we just got trolled. Oh, no, I was so close. I was actually gonna die. B- okay, okay. Bruh, 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 bruh. Okay. W- What was what? Why was my fingers betraying me? Okay, 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 okay. I fell straight through. Okay, okay. Boom, boom. Okay, okay. Let's try not to rage. Let's try not to rage. That's pretty good if you don't rage. This trailer right here, what isn't that much of a trailer because he doesn't know how to throw that good. So I'm not really that worried about him. I'm worried about these trailers because they can throw sometimes. That man bought a big slap. And he's a troller. And he's bad at trolling. Or I'm just that good. Nah, he's just bad. And now comes the hard part again. The thing that but that thing what okay. I'm gonna attempt that. I'm gonna go to that cyan looking level. I'm gonna attempt that 2 more times. If not, I come there and I beat that freaking I don't know what wall jump, but I can't talk. But you know what I mean. If I cannot complete that 2 more times, I'm gonna be playing Grow Garden. Oh, I almost just fell. And like I say, and also if you send me a friend request, I will accept it. And yeah, if I already said my name, it's Logan Brown on up. And yeah, so or you guys can comment your username in the comments, then I'll send you a friend request. So yeah, for the next week I'm gonna be accepting all my friend requests because it could be one of you guys. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Please do not throw. Okay, they did not throw. Okay, there's a guy with the flying rainbow. What is it called again? I don't know. But anyways, this is hopefully I can get past this. I got finally after so many years I finally complete. But this part is also a really hard part for some reason. I got it. Now we're at the red part would also be hard. He's lucky. Oh, oh, oh. That was cursed. Oh, oh, that is a. Never mind. Never mind. Okay. One last try for the sign level. It can't even call that sign. Was more turquoise. I don't know. It's like a very very light green. Okay. Looks like there's gonna be a trailer right there. Luckily, those trailers isn't that good at their jobs, if you can even call it that. Oh, that's the. Isn't that the guy from the Grow Garden trading, whatever it's called again? Like with the honey compressor? No. No! How much Robux does it even cost to get a big hand or 600 Robux? That's got. Okay. One last try, one last try, one last try. Okay. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna be now Grow Garden, and I'm kind of stacked on Grow Garden. I'm just gonna say that I'm kind of stacked. Okay, letting in. Update in 2 days. Let's wait. Wait, how do I put off? How do I turn off the music, bruh? Wait, can I just? Bruh, bruh, bruh. Bruh. I don't want this music. Hopefully, you guys can still hear me with all this music. Anyways, I'm gonna be gear shop. I'm just gonna be doing this with my hand. Two basic sprinters. Are they good? Let's add the seeds. I'm gonna restock any second. So might as well look. Nothing good. But anyways, let me quickly take you guys on a tour on how my garden looks. So over here I have some average grapes, apple. Wow, this is kind of laggy. Brow, why is it so laggy? I have a few mangoes up there. You can see some coconuts. dragon fruit. I also have Easter eggs and moon melons, and I'm one of the OGs what have a candy blossom. I also have three um beanstalks, and yeah, I'm just saving up with all my sprinklers till I get a master one, so I can do the sprinkler method on my moon melons. So yeah, let's quick. I'm just gonna quickly look what's at the gear shop again. Let's go. But that probably means that nothing good in stock here. Yeah. But anyways, it's kind of boring. So I'm just gonna be. What should I play next? I don't know. Let me quickly look what I have here. Okay, come on, loud. Obi gun, frontline, anti attack, need rails, slap arrows. What if? Uh, no, I shouldn't do that. Maybe I should. I don't know. Maybe I should just like beg people for Robux. No, I shouldn't do that. Murder Mystery 2. Yeah, let's play that. It takes quite a while, so I'm just gonna resume when it's done loading one day. Wait. Okay, I'm back and I'm innocent. Like always, nothing new, but okay. So, okay. Let me quickly find myself an hiding spot. Oh, wait, no, that's not the. Okay, wait. Wait, is that the sheriff or is that killer? I'm not sure. I'm not gonna take my chances. I'm just gonna be going. But where am I even going? There is no hiding spot here or there. Nope. Bruh. What did I do? Anyways, I'm just gonna be going to my secret horror. Well, not really that secret, but the place where I like to go. Hello, I really want murder. That's really cringy. Wait, am I stuck? Wait. But I think I'm actually stuck. Or let me just quickly put on. Okay, there is now. Okay, wait. What if I go in first person and then? Oh, yeah, that worked. Okay, so okay, there's a few people left. I'm just gonna be spectating. Yeah, there is the murderer. Um, Oh yeah, this one is dead bodies though. No, bruh, who you frying that at? Let's see. Oh, maybe I can use that spot next time. Oh damn, there's only 2 people left. Nobody in their body. I think the innocence is gonna win. Oh no, nope. Yeah, but what? Huh? How does that work? Two of the same people. How does that work? Is there a hacker or what? Huh? How do I get this off my screen? Bro, how do I get this off my screen? Oh, on the... But how do I get this off my screen? I'm just gonna be shooting... I don't know. Yeah, I don't really play myself there. Like, how do I get this off my screen? No. Oh no, what? I don't know. Anyways, what game? Let me quickly look what game I'm gonna play next. Wait, should I like face cam? Nah. No. Okay, so let me quickly look what game should I play next. Not really anything with that what looks interesting. Um Let me play. Yeah, let me play slap battles. I think after slap battles I'm gonna wrap this video up because this because don't really have any other games, but you guys can leave me some suggestions. Or wait, actually no, I'm gonna be playing Dead Rouse after I play slap battles. But after this video, or just comment the video up, bro. All I want to say is just after this video, then comment below what game I should play next. This one also takes a bit of time to load up, so I'm gonna just do what I did with Murder Mystery. Yeah, so so Slap Barrels didn't really want to load up. Sorry about that, but so I'm just gonna be playing Dead Rails. So I'm just gonna quickly wait till the textures load up, and yeah, I have to overtrain. I'm gonna be using I'm gonna be using Survivalist. Oh, okay, thank you. I'm just gonna be making a lobby out of 10 or out of 4. Anybody can join me. It's gonna be random, so I know that. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a run. Okay, a noob. Guess I'm playing with a noob, but that's alright. Um, again, now I'm teleporting. Okay, I'm probably not gonna be the first one to get the record first, cause I took a little bit to load in. But if I am, then that's gonna be good news. This should, I think she left me. Yeah. Okay, then I'm just gonna be doing a solo run. I mean, the survival is pretty good if you're doing a solo run. Okay, thank you. Damn, my thing is like lagging out. Okay, wait. First, let me buy one bandage. Okay. But the thing what confused me a little bit is because I'm playing this on a controller, but I'm playing it on a I'm playing this on a PS4 controller, but Roblox thinks I'm playing on Xbox, and that confuses me sometimes because it tells me to click Y, and then it's actually then I actually have to like press circle or triangle. But why do I want to drag? Again, you want to drag. Why is that? Why one more? Um, go. Why does it want to drag? I guess we have to begin with Stuco. Hopefully there's gonna be a like a house with a lot of corn there. Don't really need newspapers, so okay. So let me just get on the train and go. And off we go. I'm actually gonna be trying to get like I'm just gonna be doing one run. Imagine I beat this. Yeah, that's not gonna be happening. Okay, haven't seen. Oh no, Outlaws. Haha, idiots! You cannot kill me. I just ran over two outlaws and their horses. R.I.P. to the horses. They did nothing wrong. Okay, wait, is that Sterling? Oh no, no. For a second I thought I saw Sterling. But it's a sheriff. That's good. Oh no, my brother and now there is this annoying zombie. Okay, I think I saw um um what's it called call right here. That's very good. Store. Is it gonna be gone in here? But there is a gold bar. That's very good. I can see nothing in here. Oh, that's what. Milk. Okay, I need to get back to the train really fast. Imagine the outlaws were just waiting for me right there. Okay. I'm just gonna be going till I see the next village. Or I mean town. The town only spawns like 7,000 meters, so we're still good. I just run over a zombie. Okay, I'm gonna begin to stop. Oh, there's my dog. I'm just gonna begin to stop and I'm gonna wait for the next time. I'm just gonna be holding my swing button right here in case a zombie wants to kill me. Okay, okay. 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Okay. 4 a.m. I think I can start to be going. Oh yeah. Nope, nope. What? Bruh. Instantly get burned. It is a town. I stopped right in, or I just, yeah, stopped right in time. Oh, another sheriff. Nice. I'm also gonna be doing more damage because that fast zombie tried to kill me but failed. One fast zombie. TNT. Ammo, more. Okay, that's good. 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 And good. I'm just gonna be taking this book to burn so I just have enough fuel to get it. Or maybe I should take this zombie. And now when I get to the town, I should be using my new, or not new, but I'm also gonna be using my turrets. My new buddy is gonna be named Fred. His name is Fred. Or I have to stop so late. Oh damn, they are. How? They almost shot me to death. Freak. Okay, wait. Okay, I need to get to the gunsmith. Oh my goodness, it's fast on me. Oh, I'm gonna die. Okay. Hopefully I can get to the gunsmith and hopefully get at least a navy revolver. Another ironclad zombie. Nice. Yep. How do I have that good of an aim? Or how does my arm reach that far? Okay, I'll be able to tank the zombie. Oh no! Nope. Damn. But yeah, that's gonna be for today's video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.